Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Mi 9T, and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store and download an app called Repost for Instagram. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Now open it and go into your Instagram. Select the photo that you want to download, for example that one, and click at the three dots at the top right corner. Choose Share To, tap on Repost tab and go back to it. Now select one of the options and click on the photo that you want to download. Now you need to tap on the square button over here to remove the label and click on the middle blue one. Now when I go into my gallery, I can see that my picture was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!